Hi, mga minamahal kong mga taga-subaybay. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Muli ko kayong awitan, handugan ng isang magandang awiting isinaplaka ng aking iniidolo at tinahangaan na mahusay at magaling na mga awit na si Victor Wood. So awiting ko ang awiting may pamagat na Sonata of Love. When love was new, it was grand. We sat a gaze at the bed. They were playing, we were singing our sonata of love. Why did we granule and part? What had you done to my heart? Now I'm playing and keep singing my sonata of love. Love is just a gamble. To lose would be too cruel. We can go on like this. Without you, how could I exist? Nothing to say, now you're gone. Nothing is left but our song. Yes, I praying and keep singing my sonata of love. Nothing to say, now you're gone. Nothing is left but our song. Yes, I praying and keep singing my sonata of love. Thank you for watching. Mabuhay po mga minamahal kong mga taga-subaybay. Please like and share po.